Closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.
Welcome back to HTML series. In this video we are gonna look at these tags: quotation, black quote, abbreviation, address, site and video. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's get started. New file, then save the file as .html extension tut5.html. Now hit the save button. After save, we know by entering exclamation and tab we get the boilerplate of the code because it's the feature of VS Code extension. Inside the body, let me paste what are the things we are gonna cover in this video. Okay, so first of all, let's get started with quotation tag. So for that, inside the heading my name is, and for example I want the name inside the double quotes, then I use Q tag, which is quotation tag. So my name is, let's say, John Cena. Okay, so what it will do is it will display the John Cena name inside the double quotes. So let's try it. Open it, the document. Okay, so in the browser we can see the quotes at the places of quotation tag. Okay, so go back to code. So now let's go to second tag, which is black quote. Okay, so let's first of all cut and paste the black quote tag inside the h1. Okay, here we go. Let's say we tag that inside the paragraph tag. Hello everyone, following text will be in black quote, block quote. Okay, now whatever the text you want inside the block quote, you can write inside block quote tags. Now what block quote will do is it will separate out the text from its outer element. For example, over here we have written the block quote inside paragraph, then it will separate out the block quote text from paragraph. So this is paragraph and this is our block quote, which is clearly seen separated from paragraph. Okay, so block quote element defines a section that is quoted from another source. Okay, so next one is, let me comment this so that whenever I will provide you this code, you can use the reference of the comment, you won't get confused. Okay, so now let me take another text. Hello, WHO is the health related organization. Okay, now let me enclose this text inside the heading tag. Okay, this should be the closing tag, and suppose I want abbreviation tag to be used for WHO. What abbreviation tag does is, whenever we move our cursor on the WHO, it will display the text which we enter inside the title attribute. Okay, so inside the abbreviation tag, the attribute name title, whatever we enter. So suppose here we enter World Health Organization and go back to web page, reload it, and yes, whenever we take our point cursor to the WHO, it will display the full form of WHO. So this is why abbreviation tag is used. Okay, so now next one is cite. Cite tag is used. Elements defines the title of work. Okay, so cite elements basically defines title of any work. For example, let's cite element defines the title of work for your reference. Now let me give you an example over here. Cleaning room is done by let's say Elon. Okay, let me enclose the text inside the heading tag h1. Now it's time to see the result. Go back to the browser, hit the refresh button, and yes, you can see the title is separated from the text. Cleaning room is our title. Okay, so this is how we use cite tag. After that, let's say BDO tag. BDO tag basically used, the element is used to override the current text direction. For example, we want the text to get displayed in reverse direction, then we use BDO tag. So let me give you the reference in comments so that whenever you will use this code you can understand it. Okay, so BDO, inside the BDO type the line whatever we want, hello world, save the file, go to browser and refresh. So the text is in serial form because we have not given any direction. Okay, so there is an attribute dir for direction, and inside the direction the value you can give so that the text will be reversed is let me confirm it once. Okay, the value is RTL. It stands for right to left. Direction is right to left. Then Ctrl S and go back to browser, hit the refresh button, and yes, now our text is get displayed in reverse order. So this is how BDO tag works. Okay, so make sure you subscribe, and if you want the code you can check the link in the description. If you have any doubt you can comment it below, and don't forget to subscribe because I am uploading all the videos you need. So subscribe.